Welcome back, beautiful people, to another session of Vocab with me, Anmol, in association with Mart Tutorials. Today we are continuing with our letter N, moving on to 50 intermediate words of it as presented henceforth. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Nefarious, dusht, unethic. The detective uncovered a nefarious scheme. Nimble, chust, tez. The gymnast is very nimble. Neglect, upeksha karna. He neglected his studies and failed the exam. Nostalgic, पुरानी यादों से भरा. Looking at old photos makes me nostalgic. Nomadic, घुमंतु. The tribe lived a nomadic lifestyle. Notion, dharana, vichar. She had a strange notion about time travel. Nullify, अमान्य करना, रद्द करना. The contract was nullified due to fraud. Nonchalant, उदासीन, बेपरवाह. He was nonchalant about the exam results. Nauseous, मितली, महसूस करना. The smell of rotten food made her nauseous. Nuance, सूक्ष्म अंतर. She noticed the nuance in his tone. Notorious, कुख्यात. The gangster was notorious for his crimes. Nurturing, पोषण करने वाला. She has a nurturing nature towards children. Nebulous, अस्पष्ट, धुंधला. His nebulous explanation confused everyone. Noxious, हानिकारक, जहरीला. The factory released noxious gases. Naysayer, विरोध करने वाला. Don't listen to the naysayers. Follow your dreams. Nexus, संबंध, कड़ी. The internet serves as a nexus of information. Natty, sajila, saaf suthra. He looked natty in his new suit. Niche, vishisht sthan, vishishta. She found a niche in graphic design. Nettle, chidhana, pareshan karna. His rude comments nettled his co-workers. Nonplussed, hakka bakka, stubbed. She was nonplussed by the unexpected question. Nostrum, achuk ilaj, totka. The salesman offered nostrum for weight loss. Nadir, Nimnatam Bindu, Patan. His career reached its nadir after the scandal. Neophyte, Nav Sikhua. No Sikhya. As a neophyte in painting, she practiced daily. Non-entity, Mahatvahin Vyakti Astitvahin. He felt like a non-entity at the grand event. Niggling, Mamuli lekin parishan karne wala. A niggling pain in his back disturbed his sleep. Nescience, a Gyani. The nescient man did not understand the complexities of the issue. Nurturant, Palan karne wala. The mother's nurturant attitude towards her child was evident. Non-verbal, Shravan ya vakyansh se pare. Non-verbal communication is essential in body language. Nihilism, Nirashavad. His belief in nihilism led him to a life of disillusionment. Naivety, Saralta, Bholepan. His naivety made him easy to deceive. Neuter, Nirakar, Napunsak. The word it is neuter. Nictitate, Chapakna, Akhunki. She nictitated as a sign of agreement. Notarial, not notary se sambandhit. He signed the document in the presence of a notarial officer, notarial officer. Nocuous, Hanikarak. The chemicals were nocuous to the environment. Nepotism, Bhai Bhatijavad. Nepotism in the workplace led to employee dissatisfaction. Nihilistic, Nirashavadi, Nastik. His nihilistic views made him question the value of everything. Nascent, Utpan hota hua, Navjat. The nascent technology shows a lot of promise. Nominee, Ummidwar, Namankit Vyakti. She is the nominee for the Best Actress Award. Nomenclature, Namkaran, Shabdavali. The scientist explained the nomenclature of chemical elements. Narcotic, Nashila Padarth, Madak Dravya. The patient was given a narcotic to ease his pain. Nutrient, Poshak Tattva. Fruits are rich in essential nutrients. Nonconformist, Paramparavadi se alag vyakti. He was a nonconformist who always challenged norms of society. Nativity, Janmsthan, Janm. Her nativity was celebrated with a grand ceremony. Non-fiction, Gadya, Vastavik Sahitya. She enjoys reading non-fiction books about history. Numinous, Divya, Dhyatmik. The ancient temple had a numinous atmosphere. Nautical, Samudri. The nautical theme of the restaurant was quite appealing. Non-committal, Anishchit, Nishkalank. She gave a non-committal answer to avoid controversy. Neurotic, Mansik Tanav se Pirit. He was neurotic about his appearance. Non-profit, Labh na kamane wala. The non-profit organization helped feed the homeless. Nocturnal, Ratri Kaleen. Owls are nocturnal creatures. And that's that for today. I shall see you in the next one.